Today we're working at False River in Point Coupee Parish. We're installing spawning beds made out of gravel. The process is basically we have a flatbed barge boat. The parish has donated the gravel to us. An excavator shows up, dumps the gravel onto our barge boat. We transport it to site via the barge. We have a washdown pump that washes the gravel off into the lake to create enhanced spawning habitat for the fishery of False River. Nesting fishes like largemouth bass, brim, sac-a-lait prefer a gravel substrate or sandy substrate to spawn. So this is just one way we can enhance that and make it a little more attractive for those fish that like to nest. We are putting roughly 8 yards of material per site, and our boat can accommodate anywhere from 4 to 6 yards of material per trip. So basically 2 trips we make to each site, wash down the material on site, and each bed is roughly 10 feet wide by 20 feet long, or 20 feet wide, you know, some range of that, roughly 3 to 4 inches thick. We typically like to mound it up in one area, and as the gravel settles, it spreads out over the entire area. So False River is historically a very important part of Point Coupee Parish and the state, and it's a restoration effort just to try to improve and enhance the fishery of False River and restore it to, you know, the lake that we know it has the potential to be.